Hello everyone. First of all, a very happy new year 2021 to one and all, and welcome to my video lecture on Unit 1 Discrete Structures of UGC NET Paper 2 Computer Science. And those who are planning to appear in June 2021, this is the right time to start your preparation, as exact 6 months are remaining for the exam. And in continuation with my previous videos on sets, in this video I am going to discuss about the operations on set. Okay, so let's start. The first operation is the intersection. Intersection of two or more sets are those elements which are common in both sets. If we are finding the intersection between two sets like A and B, it is represented in the form of inverse U, and in this set we will write down the common elements between two sets. Okay, so let's see with an example. Suppose two sets are there. Set A consists of elements of natural number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, and set B consists of elements like 1, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, and the intersection of set A and B consists of elements which are common in both the set. You can see one element is present in both the set 1, 4 and 5. These are the elements which present in both the set. So in the intersection these elements are there. Okay, so intersection means what? Intersection means the common elements between both the sets. If we are finding the intersection between A and B, that means all the elements which are common in A and B will come in intersection. Okay, we can represent this A intersection B with the form in the form of Venn diagram also. In the Venn diagram, the universal set means all the parent set from which the set A and B belongs. We can easily see that these elements are from the natural number, set of natural number. So universal set will be the set of natural number. Okay, and the set is represented in the form of circle or oval shape. This is the intersection part, that is the common part. In this part the elements are 1, 4 and 5, and the rest of the elements we can write it here like 2 and 3. And in set B, suppose this is set A and this is set B. Okay, and in this we can write it 6 and 7, and this shaded part is the intersection part, and in this intersection part three elements are there, 1, 4 and 5. Okay, so hope you understand what is the intersection. Intersection means the common element between the two sets. Okay, so let's move to the next slide. Next is the union of set. Okay, union of two sets A and B is a set containing all the elements of A and B. यूनियन में हम क्या फाइंड आउट करते हैं, ए और सेट बी का के जितने भी एलिमेंट्स हैं उनको क्या कर लेते हैं, कंबाइन कर लेते हैं. लाइक वी कैन राइट इट हेयर लाइक सपोज x is an element where x either belongs to A or x either belongs to B. ठीक है, let's see with an example. Let's take that the similar example in which set A belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and set B consists of 1, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. In this case A union B is all the elements of set A and B combined. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. First of all we will write all the elements of set A, and then after we will write all the elements of B, in which we will not repeat the elements which are common in both the set, because in the starting also I have explained you that set is a well defined connection of distinct object, means repetition of elements is not allowed in the set. So we will not repeat the common element. So after 5 we can write 6 and 7 because 1, 4, 5 already have written. So in the A union B we'll have the elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6. With the help of Venn diagram also we can explain, we can see how A union B can be represented. Suppose this is a set A and this is a set B. So A union B will be all this region. Okay, this complete region will be A union B. Okay, in which all the elements are there which are either belongs to set A or set B. Okay, so next is the complement of a set. Okay, complement of a set means a set is a complement of a set is a set containing all the elements which are not in a set A. If we are finding a complement of set A which is represented by A bar or A dash, one and the same thing, it can be represented either in any form. If universal set is, because we are considering elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 which belongs to the set of natural number, so the universal set will be the set of natural number. Okay, so universal set will be this, and A consists of elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the elements which are in complement of set A is union set minus A. ओके यानी हम लोग यूनिवर्सल सेट में से ए जो सेट है उसके एलिमेंट्स को डिडक्ट कर लेंगे, तो जो रेस्ट ऑफ जो एलिमेंट्स बचेंगे वो होंगे ए के कॉम्प्लीमेंट. ए का कॉम्प्लीमेंट मतलब यूनिवर्सल सेट में से ए के एलिमेंट्स को माइनस करने के बाद जो सेट बचेगा डैट इज़ द ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट. यानी ये हमारा यूनिवर्सल सेट है, इसमें से ए के जो एलिमेंट्स उसको माइनस कर देंगे तो क्या एलिमेंट्स बचेंगे, 6 के बाद 6, 7, 8 एंड अप टू प्लस ऑफ इन्फिनिटी. दैट विल बी द complement of A. Okay, in the form of Venn diagram also we can see how A complement is represented. Suppose this is a set A in which elements are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is the universal set. Then A complement will be all the region except the set A. Okay, so this part will be the A complement. If this is the circle is a set A, then the rest of the part is represented by A complement. Next is difference of two sets. Difference of A and B is a set containing all the elements which are present in set A but not in the set B. यानी अगर सेट ए माइनस बी हम फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं तो इस सेट के अंदर वो सारे एलिमेंट्स होंगे जो कि सेट ए में तो बिलोंग कर रहे होंगे बट दे डज नॉट बिलोंग टू सेट बी. ओके, डज नॉट बिलोंग्स टू सेट बी. इसका मतलब है कि डिफरेंस ऑफ ए माइनस बी में, डिफरेंस ऑफ सेट ए एंड बी में वो सारे एलिमेंट्स आएंगे जो कि सेट ए में तो हैं पर वो बी में नहीं होने चाहिए. यानी हम इसको अदर फॉर्म में ये भी लिख सकते हैं कि ए माइनस ए इंटरसेक्शन बी. यानी ए इंटरसेक्शन मीन्स कॉमन एलिमेंट बिटवीन ए एंड बी. उसमें से ए में से वो सारे एलिमेंट जो कॉमन है उनको डिडक्ट कर देंगे तो ये हमारे पास आ जाएगा ए माइनस बी. ओके, लेट्स सी विद द हेल्प ऑफ वेन डायग्राम. सपोज this is the representation of Venn diagram, and suppose this is a set A and this is a set B, then A minus B will be that area which is a part of set A but does not contain the set B part. यानी ये वाला जो पार्ट है ये वाला हम डिडक्ट करेंगे, मतलब ऐसा शेप बन जाएगा ऑलमोस्ट लाइक दिस टाइप ऑफ शेप. I think I should use a different color. This part will be A minus B. Let's see with the example. If I have the set 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and in set B I have 1, 4, 5, 6 and 7. then A minus B is a set contains all the elements of set A. All the elements of set A means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But they does not contain in set B. B में कौन कौन से आ रहे हैं? 1 आ रहा है तो उसको भी हटा दो, 4 आ रहा है उसको भी हटा दो, 5 आ रहा है उसको भी हटा दो, तो बचा कौन सा? Only 2 and 3. So in A minus B only 2 elements will be there, 2 and 3. Okay. So next is the Cartesian product. Cartesian product is a set of ordered pair of elements containing one element from each set and in which first element belongs to the first set and the second object belong to the second set. Cartesian product हम इस फॉर्म में लिखते हैं A क्रॉस B के फॉर्म में, and this is something different from the set in which this set is a ordered pair collection. It is a set of ordered pair in which it is in the form of A and B in which A belongs to set A and B belongs to set B. ठीक है, यानी कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट हम किसके फॉर्म में लिखते हैं? सेट ऑफ ऑर्डर्ड पेयर्स के फॉर्म में लिखते हैं. और ये जो हमने सेट ऑफ ऑर्डर्ड पेयर लिखे हैं, सपोज ए और बी कोई वेरिएबल ले लिया हमने, तो उसमें जो फर्स्ट वाला जो वेरिएबल होगा या जो ऑब्जेक्ट होगा वो कौन से सेट को बिलोंग करेगा? फर्स्ट वाले सेट को. और जो सेकेंड वाला ऑब्जेक्ट है वो किसको बिलोंग करेगा? सेकेंड वाले सेट को. ओके, सो लेट्स हैव अ शॉर्ट एग्जाम्पल. सपोज मैंने एक सेट ले लिया 1, 2 and 3 और B एक सेट ले लिया in which elements are A and B and C. Okay, so in the A cross B यानी Cartesian product of A cross B is set of order pair. हम क्या करेंगे? 1 by 1 each and every element को दूसरे सेट के एलिमेंट्स के साथ पेयर करेंगे इस तरह से. 1 A, फिर 1 B and 1 C एंड सो ऑन. फिर सेकेंड एलिमेंट ले लिया हमने, सेकेंड एलिमेंट को ले लिया, दूसरे कलर से लिख लेते हैं. सेकेंड को फिर से दूसरे सेट के सारे एलिमेंट्स के साथ पेयर कर लेंगे. 2 को बी के साथ, फिर 2 को सी के साथ. देन अगेन नेक्स्ट इज 3 को ए के साथ, फिर 3 को बी के साथ, फिर 3 को सी के साथ. इस तरह से हमने पूरे सेट बना लिए हर एलिमेंट का बाकी सेट के सारे एलिमेंट्स के साथ हमने एक ऑर्डर्ड पेयर बना लिया. और इस सारे ऑर्डर्ड पेयर का जो सेट होगा वो कहलाएगा कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट. इसमें कितने नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स थे? 3. इसमें कितने नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स है? 3. सो कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट के अंदर कितने नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स होंगे? 3 into 3 that is 9, and you can count it 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is total 9 elements are there. In this form, hope you have understood whatever I have explained. If still you have any doubts, then you can write your doubts in the comment section. I will try to solve your queries, and thank you so much, and keep watching. Like and subscribe to my channel, and have a good day. Thank you so much.